Hi, you're welcome to my tutorial. My name is Tosina Dede. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create a community on WhatsApp. So this is a new WhatsApp features that I just got, and I don't know if you have gotten that. If you have not gotten that, you should try to update your WhatsApp. And also, if you are not getting it, that means you are currently using WhatsApp Business. So I'm not sure it's on WhatsApp Business for now. Maybe later on they can actually make the feature available on WhatsApp Business. So for now it's on WhatsApp, just WhatsApp now. So how to create a community? So first of all, you will notice that I sent a message to my groups. So I told them that I will be compiling all the groups together to form a community, right? So I will advise you to, whenever you want to create a community, I advise you to first of all send a message to your people that you want to add them to a particular community, so that they won't feel like you just, you didn't tell them anything, they just saw themselves in the group. Because the first time I tried it, I never knew it was going to happen that way actually. So I was thinking they will not get notified, that I will just be able to pass my message across on a community, but then it just added them like a group, so they were notified, and it wasn't really good, because I always advise people that it's always good to let people know what you're up to. Don't just add people without their consent. All right, so make sure that you let them be aware that you want to add them to a community. So I've already sent messages to my groups, the groups I want to compile into a community, that I will be adding them to a community. All right, so let's move. So if you take a look at this place, you will see a particular icon. So click on it. So when you click on it, you will see new community. You can see it over here. So these are the community I have right now. I just got added on this one, and I have other communities. So this is my own community that I created. This is my own community. Can you see that? So when you get here, the first thing you want to do is to click on, you may not see all this, if you have not been added to a community yet or created one. So you may not see all this, you may just see this new community over here. All right, so just click on this new community, click on this place, click on it to create a community, and here we are. So what's the name you want to give your community? So I want to create a community on my past student Massive Views Masters class. All right, so let me just put that there, Massive Views Master Class, right? Okay, so we are good to go. So the community description, what's your community about? What do you want to share in your community? What is it about? What are the types of groups you are combining together? So you have to put it here. I don't have something in mind before, but then let me just, as a demo, let me just write something. A group that teaches how to grow your WhatsApp list and increase your views. So let's just make it as simple as that. So another thing I would like to do is to just click on this icon over here to add an image. I'm not sure I have a particular, okay, let me use this one. This is an old flyer actually, but then let me just use this as a demo, right? This is an old flyer, so the class is not even 2000, it's not 3000, but then let me just use it as a demo pending the time I set it up appropriately. All right, so once you click on the image, click on done, and the next thing you want to do is to look at this place and click on it, and you're good to go. So yeah, this is where you add your groups. You can either create a group or add existing groups. All right, so since I already have some existing groups, I'm just going to click on add existing groups. So just click on this place, and if you want to create a new group, you can actually do that. Click on it, add existing groups, and then you can select your groups. It's showing 0 of 20 selected, but then there was a time I saw that you can add 50 people to 50 groups to a particular community. But it's fine if you are seeing 20. It's fine. So let's just move. Just search here and search for the group you want to add. I'm adding all my Masterbeat Masters class from 1 to 8. I had 8 groups for this particular course. So this is a course where I teach people how to increase their status views. So in case you also want to learn how to do that, I have a full course on that. So it's not a group class again, but a course now, so that whenever you just make payments, you just get access to the course immediately. All right, so let's just move. I'm going to add all these people. Oh, let me just take it accordingly so I won't miss out on any. I've added 1, MVM2, then the next is 3, okay, the next is 4, MVM4, okay, 5, MVM6, 7, and 8. So I have 8 groups. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to click on this icon to continue. Click on it and click on it, and we are good to go. It didn't mark. I'm not creating another group. Okay, let's try it again. We didn't get that earlier, but then once you mark it, it's supposed to just mark like that. But it's fine, you can always remark it. VM4, then 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we click on mark. Can you see that it showed 9 of 21? You see, it was showing 20 before. You take a look at this place. It was showing 0 of 20 before. Now it's showing 21. I don't know how WhatsApp did is that it kept increasing. Sometimes I will see 1 of 50, 2 of 50, and thereabout. But then it's a new feature, so as time goes on, we get to understand why. All right. So once you add the groups, I actually added 8 groups. Actually, why is it showing 9? Sorry. Okay, let me check. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's just mark it. Mark, and you are creating the community already. Can you see that? Can you see that the community has been formed? Can you see it's showing? Can you see the number of people that was added? So these people, we get to see that I have added them to a particular community. Can you see? You just add them like a normal group. If you add them like a normal group, so they will also get notified. And here it is it again. Whenever people check the community, people that are using just normal WhatsApp, okay, that are using WhatsApp Business, they will not know the actual number of people that are in the group, that are in the community. All right, they will just see that they were added to a community. They will just see that they are seeing only you and them. So let's assume I'm part of those you added to a community. I will only see myself and you in that community. I will not see others. That's how WhatsApp made it. But I also realized that we are using WhatsApp, not WhatsApp Business this time around. We are using WhatsApp. All right, you can actually see the number of people that are on the group, but you cannot send a message. Same as WhatsApp Business, you cannot send a message. WhatsApp Business, you will not know the actual number of people on the group, but normal WhatsApp, you will know that you are this amount of people on the group. Like 150 participants now, you can see 150 participants, right? If anybody you are adding is actually using WhatsApp, I don't want you to get confused. Actually, if anybody is using normal WhatsApp, they will see the number of the participants, but when they are using WhatsApp Business, they may not see the participant. They will just see themselves and you, right? So that's how it is. Can you see the number of people I've added? And you're good to go. So on this community, you can also invite members by sharing a link. Just come here and copy the link. You can see it. You can send it via WhatsApp. You can share the link directly to other apps, QR code, and you can also reset the link. All right, so that's how you can actually create a community. So let's open this community now. Like, you can send a message and they will all get this message. You're all welcome to this community. I created this community to actually pass out information all at once. So stay with me. I have a big announcement. Not really big. Let me go and say what I'm not going to fulfill. I have an announcement to make. Alright, so I'm just going to send this and they will receive this message on the community. Alright, they will receive this message on the community. Alright, so that's how to go about creating a community. So can you see that? Can you see that? So one thing about this community also is that I've not really studied it so well, but then a lot of people have been asking me how I was able to create my community and all that. That was why I decided to just create this tutorial. But then this community, you will see that it has two groups: Massive Use Masterclass, and this is the announcement group. So whenever you create a community, it will automatically create an announcement group for you. Aside from the community, it will also create an announcement group for you, right? So if you look at this, you can see that they are under one particular community, right? Now under the community, you will see the announcement group. This is the announcement group, and it's even pinned. I didn't pin it, but then it's already pinned. So whenever I want to pass a message, I'll just come here and type my message. Let me try typing the message here. It's not even possible. Is it possible? It's not possible to type a message from here. You can only pass a message on this announcement group. You can see it here. Announcements. Oh, it has changed. Let me go back again. Can you see it up here? Announcement group. You can see it here before it changed. So that's how it works. Once you create a community, it will automatically create an announcement group for you. So the announcement group is where you actually get information, just like this Bachelor of Copywriting. This is where I was added. This is the main I think this is the main group. Let me check. You can see this is the main group. It has 21 groups all together. Can you see it? Let me try to click. Can you see it? And here is the announcement group. Here, can you see that? So that's how the community features works, right? So this is also showing that I've added all this. You can see it. I've added all this to a community. You can see this round, I don't know what to call it, but then I hope you get what I'm saying. So it showed that I have added all these groups into a community. So another thing is that you can still keep sending message to your groups. Let me try sending a message. Added, and they will still definitely receive it. They will definitely receive whatever message I send. So that is how the community feature works. Go and try it out. I think it's a cool feature. Actually, I love it because it's it's kind of stressful passing a message to. Imagine I want to send messages to this group one by one. I'll just be copying and pasting. So instead of doing that, it's just better I send it to, like, I compile all my groups that I have in common into a community, and then I send messages to them and they all receive it, just like this. Let me try to see. I'm creating this video in the middle of the night. Okay, some people have seen it but then those are the people that are online. You can see the time. This is 1:42 a.m. and this is the best time I can create tutorials because of the silence around. Everywhere is cool. I actually live in a place where noise. You just see vehicle passing. I live very close to the main road. That's where I live. So I just have to wait till it's midnight so I can just create this tutorial without noises. Alright, so at the minutes during the day, you will see that a lot of people have read this, but then it's only 2 people that are online at this time. So can you see them? Read by. So in case you don't know how to check if anybody reads your messages, that's how to check. Just click on the message you want to know if people read, then click on this 3-dot icon. This is also applicable to groups. Click on it, then click on info. You will know how many people read it. You will know how many people it was delivered to, right? So that's how to know. It's also applicable to personal DMs. If you are not sure somebody read your message, just click on the message and click on info to see if the person read it. If the person does not have this blue tick. Alright, so that's how to go about this. Is there any other thing? Okay, I'm not so sure if I can. Now there is another feature that you can create a poll, but I don't know if it's available on normal WhatsApp. Let me try this. Sorry, let me just. Okay, let me use this online. Let me try it. Let me try to see if there is. Wow, I have the feature. I never knew I had this feature. Like, I just updated my apps. Actually, I just updated it and I didn't have it before, but now I think I have it. Oh, I'm so excited. So let's try it out. This is the first time I'm trying it. So let me ask a question. Hi dear, how are you doing today? This is my second line, so I'm just going to try it out. Good. Another one. I'm not. What should I write? Doing good. Another one. Very busy. This is just a demo, right? So don't mind me. um I'm feeling sleepy, even though I'm not. So that's it. Let's once you click on that, I'm just trying it out, but then I think it should work out. Just click on this button, click on it. Oh, my poll has been formed. So I'm going to use my second phone to reply the poll right now. So on my second phone, I can see the same question. So let me just reply. Can you see that? I chose the first one and it has actually reflected. So this is very great. Oh, I'm just loving WhatsApp these days with this cool and amazing features. So as a WhatsApp coach or a WhatsApp whatever you're doing, you can use this poll to actually ask sincere questions. Like, did you enjoy my lecture today? Give it a rate like 100%, 80%. You can ask any question. There are many questions you can use. If you are familiar with Telegram, you should know how this works, how this post works. Let me try to reply again. You see, very busy. I'm actually busy though. I'm missing a tutorial. So that's another thing. So if you want to check the vote, just click on view votes and you can see that this is my number. I deliberately didn't save it for something. I was trying something out, so I had to delete the number. So that's why I did not save it right now. But then I also save it back because I view my status too. I view my business status. So that's how it goes. Oh, I just love this feature. You can ask any question. Like, ask any question. Do you prefer I create ebook, or you prefer, okay, let me just try it out. You know, I already created a community, so let me try asking, is this tutorial not getting long? Okay, 22 minutes. Okay, let me just try to make sure I don't exceed 30 minutes. Right, so let me try to ask a question from my audience. Let me create a poll. Oh, it's not on the it's not on the community. Wow. Let me check. It's not on the community. The poll is not applicable to the community. You can just use it for personal DMs or groups. Let me check if it's applicable to groups. Okay, let me check this. You see, it's applicable to groups, but it's not applicable to community for now. I just wish WhatsApp can just do it and make it in such a way that it's also applicable to this community. To be very, very great actually. So that's that. We've tried that out. Is there any other thing? I also noticed that let me check. Okay, on WhatsApp Business, I use both WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business actually. I noticed that, I don't know if this feature has been for a while, but I just noticed that you can now view status from somebody's DP. Like this person, this is my friend. You can, once you click on this DP, you will just go straight to the person's status directly, and you start viewing the person's status. So it's not applicable to WhatsApp, but it's applicable to WhatsApp Business. So WhatsApp is just adding different kind of features to each apps. But then I hope that very soon this community of a thing will also be applicable to WhatsApp Business. So just wait for it if you don't have it yet. And if you have it, that's very good. Go ahead and create a community, but do ensure that you let your people, carry your people along. Don't just create a community without informing them that you want to add them to a community, because it can be so annoying. The very first time I tried this thing, I actually blamed myself. I had to even post on my status that, oh guys, I was trying a new feature and this happened. Like, some people came to my DM and like, coach, I saw you added me to a group. I don't know what's the group about. You know, it was not really good. So let people be carried along, that you're adding them to a community before you actually do so. All right, so there are other amazing features that WhatsApp is releasing very soon, and as time goes on I will be dropping them one by one. Just before they release this feature, I actually dropped it on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you are missing a lot. I have a whole lot of things on Instagram that you can actually feed on, and I'm still giving out content back to back on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, just search for Tosin_Odede, Tosin_ODEDE, Odede. So you can check me on Instagram and follow me for tutorials. And if you are watching this video on Instagram, just hit a like, just try to tap your screen twice tap your screen twice, give me a like, a comment, and do follow me back. All right, and if you find this video helpful, kindly drop a comment, please. Just drop a comment, that it's really helpful. And if you have any question, do message me, and I'll try as much as possible to also reply to your questions. All right, so I think we are good to go. Is there any other thing? I'm not sure there are any other features. I'm not so sure for now. So this is me, in case you don't know me. This is my cool profile picture. That's funny. So that's it. If you have any question, just do get back to me. Let me know you have any question. And if you want to take this course, Massive Views Masterclass is a course where you get to learn how to increase your status views, how to make sales on WhatsApp. Let me check through the flyer. Okay, I think on this old flyer I have it there. Sorry, I want to try to I can't view it from here, but then on this flyer you get to learn a lot. Let me try to okay, ahead. So now you can see in this Massive Views Masterclass you will learn the 5 ways I use to increase my status views. You will learn how to use chatbot, reply frequent chats. I use chatbots most times. You will learn how to attract daily credit alert from your WhatsApp status. You will learn how to become an author without writing. You will learn how to become an author without writing. It's very, very possible to not have a content and yet you're an author. You also learn how to write short WhatsApp status copywriting, and lots more. This is class 5, and now I have trained many business owners. I have coached. This is 100 plus registered over here, but then I've taught over 260 individuals, 260 business owners on how to increase their status views, and they all got amazing results. This flyer is old, as I said. In fact, the class was still 2,000 naira as at then. Now the class is 3,500 naira. Is it 3,500 or 3,000 naira? I'm not even sure. Let me check. This is Massive Views Masterclass 8. Okay, it was still 2,000 naira here. And if you think okay, before I go there, let me just check. I think it's 3,000. I don't know why I forgot my price. Mama. Okay, this is Massive Masterclass 7. Let me check. Okay, let me just go to groups. Okay. Can you see? You see, level don't change. Okay, it's 3,000 naira. This is still an old, well, kind of old a bit, but then it's still this is one of the newest flyer. You can see 240 registered participants, and currently I have trained more people and they've gotten amazing results. So the price is 3,000 naira till date. So if you want to take this, you can always grab it up. And if you want to register for my 1,000 views challenge, you can also register. So in this challenge you also get, how am I even talking about this? It's 30 minutes already. Just click the link on my bio to check more about the 1000 views challenge. Alright, so thank you so much for watching these tutorials. Don't forget to give me a like, comment, and follow me for more. Bye. I remain to Daddy. Bye guys.